Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Instagram. So if Instagram is not sending you the verification code by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, you need to make sure you enter the correct phone number and email address linked to your Instagram account. You should also check if Instagram needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Instagram and tap update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Instagram app. Press and hold the Instagram app icon and tap on remove app and then delete the app. Then try reinstalling it from the App Store again. If this still does not help, you can try restarting your iPhone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Wait a few seconds and then turn your phone back on. Lastly, the problem could be from Instagram servers. If their servers are down or under maintenance, verification codes may not be sent properly. So yeah, those are some easy ways to fix Instagram verification code not received issue. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.